Yo, what's good guys, it's Cyber. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this trippy effect on After Effects. So Lyrical Lemonade just posted a Lil Yachty and Eden music video. The video has that effect multiple times throughout the video, so I decided why not hop on and show you guys how to make something similar. Alright, so we're on After Effects right now. Alright, so I got this clip from the video, and we're just gonna start off by duplicating this layer. So press Ctrl D, and then grab our mask tool up here, and just mask like half of the clip. Maybe we can get more of his right side, so something like that. All right, and the first effect we're gonna do is CC smear. So we're gonna grab this, and then you can see here we're distorting his face already. So we're gonna go to from, click this, and drag the right side of his face. Maybe grab his eye, and then we're just gonna mess around with the radius. So let's do that. Bring the reach back. Maybe the from, bring it out a bit. Just mess around with it. Bring up the radius so it doesn't like pull his face off like you can see there. So we're just gonna bring up the radius. Just mess around with it. Something like this is cool. Let's get more of his eye. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. You can check it here. My reach is gonna be 200. And my radius is 332. This depends on your clips, so it will vary to how your clips look. He is close to the camera, so you know I have to kind of set it up like that. Alright, so the next effect we're gonna do is CC scale wipe. So we're gonna grab into scale wipe, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna bring the center to around his eye, bring the direction kind of down, and then stretch it. So you can see it's kind of stretched now. We don't have to do too much to that. And then the final effect we're going to do is a mosaic. So we type in mosaic, grab this one right here. And this is going to add like that kind of glitchy blur effect to it. We don't want it too heavy. So we'll bring it up to maybe, let's see how 500 looks on this. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So what we're going to do now is go to the mask and turn up the feather, because you can see his hair. There's like a sharp kind of line going through it, so you can definitely see it. We kind of wanted to blend it together, so we'll just turn up the feather a tiny bit. So that's it for the effect. We can do it on multiple different type of clips, but I thought this clip is kind of cool for it. And then obviously you can add in the stutters that they have. So with the stutters, let me just show you guys how to do it. We're just going to pre-compose this. So to make the kind of stutter effect, we have to duplicate this layer and just bring it up a bit, and obviously just, you know, chop it up, make it shorter. So we'll just bring it up and I'll show you how it looks. Super easy to do. Just do that again. Just mess around with it on the timeline so we can go to the end here. Just really freestyle with it. There's no like certain way you do it. You just duplicate that bottom layer, chop it up, and then, you know, just put it in between the little clips. So let's do another one. Make this here shorter, something like that. Alright, cool. I'm messing with that. That's super easy and simple to do. That's it for the effect. I just wanted to make some short for you guys. Before I leave, I just want to let you guys know that I have a 20% discount on my website if you use code CYBER. So make sure to use that. Make sure to check out my website, and thanks for watching.